We're excited to introduce Selective Caller ID in the TeleCloud Web Phone, giving you control over how your calls appear and making it easy to manage multiple numbers. First, from the menu, navigate to Web Phone Tools. Here you'll see a new option called Selective Caller ID. Click to open it. At the top of the page, you'll see your current caller ID. In the drop-down below, you'll find a list of all available caller IDs assigned to your account. Select the caller ID you want to display on your outbound calls, and then click Set. Your current caller ID will update to reflect your new selection. Now, while you make your calls as usual, every outbound call will now show the caller ID you selected. When you're done making calls as that number, simply return to Web Phone Tools, click Selective Caller ID, select your original caller ID, and press Set again. Try out Selective Caller ID today in your TeleCloud Web Phone.